Hi, I'm Dave Robles with Think Real Estate. If you are planning on selling your home this year, you need a new game plan. Today, the County of Los Angeles just extended the stay-at-home order to at least May 15th. So I'm inviting you to a seller strategy session on Friday, April 17th at 4 p.m. where we will go over 4 points. Number one, how to time the sale of your home so you can take advantage of the market after coronavirus. Number two, how to sell your home as is without leaving any money on the table. Number three, what ads your realtor should be running for you that actually work in selling your home. And number four, how to negotiate with the 3 types of buyers that are out there right now. So join us next Friday, April 17th at 4 p.m. Sign up below and we will answer all your questions and put you in the right position to sell your home. Thanks.